Ngayon, unang gagawin natin is radical. We have a given of limitation x is to 3 square root of x minus 12. So, substitute nyo lang siya, but in limitation, maghiwalayan nyo. So, let's see. In square root, pasok natin yung limitation. Limitation x to 3, x minus limitation x to 3, 12. Ano ba ang isa-substitute nyo dyan? Siyempre, yung x. Isa-substitute nyo ng x, maging 3. Minus limitation of x to 3. Ano gagawin? I-bring down nyo lang. Kasi, constant siya eh. So, next is 3 minus 12 nila. Square root, 3 minus 12 is 9. So, square root of 9 is 3. And here is your final answer. Paano naman mag-solve the limitation of polynomial? Meron tayong given. Limitation x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Pag sinolve natin directly yan, magiging 0 to. Pag naging 0 ang denominator, it is undefined. So, anong gagawin natin? Ipa-factor natin to. Paano mag-factor ng quadratic? So, maglapag kayo ng dalawang x. So, anong pwedeng ipag-plus dito na magiging negative 4, tapos pag t-times, magiging positive 4. So, huwag na natin pamadaliin is negative 2 minus 2. Kasi, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Negative 2x plus negative 2x is negative 4x. Ngayon, rewrite natin x minus 2. Cancel yung dalawa. Then, that gives you x minus 2 na lang. Then, since limitation of x minus x is 2 natin, i-rewrite natin siya, iwalay natin. Limitation x is 2x minus limitation x is 2. Then, substitute 2 minus bring down 2 is equals to 0. Ayun ang sagot natin. Ngayon, ang rational naman. So, we have a given of limitation x is to 1 of x cubed minus 5x plus 4 over x cubed minus 1. So, factor natin. Factor muna natin ng x cubed minus 1. Bali, maging x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. Next is, factor naman natin ang numerator. Ito yung denominator, ito naman yung numerator. Factor natin. X minus 1, x squared plus x minus 4. Pause. Paano mag-factor ng cubic? Pakita natin. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang synthetic division. It is one of the technique to factor cube. Now, first step, get their coefficient. X cube is 1. As you can see, wala tayong x squared. Therefore, it is 0. Now, ang next nun is, ang x naman is negative 5. Next is, baba natin to, 4. Next step is kukunin natin ang synthetic root. Ano kunin ang synthetic root? Hanap ka ng variable ng x na isa-substitute dito, but ang twist nito is kailangan maging 0 lahat yan. Earlier kanina, ang limitation natin ay 1, and naging 0 siya nung sinolve natin siya directly. Therefore, pwede natin gamitin ng 1. So, sulatan natin ang table. Isusulatan natin ang table. Lagay natin ang synthetic root, then yung mga coefficient. 1, 0, negative 5, and 4. Now, ang unang gagawin dito is bring down 1. We bring down yung 1. Yung unang number dito, i-bring down nyo lang yan. Next step is, yung answer dito, i-multiply nyo dito. Tapos dito siya, ang sagot ay dito nyo lalagay. Para mas maintindihan, 1 times 1 is 1. Dito siya lalagay. Tapos, ipag-add itong dalawa. 0 plus 1 is 1. Same process, ganun din. 1 times 1 is 1. negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. Next, same process then, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. 4 plus negative 4 is 0. Take note, always 0 dapat ang kakalabas nito. Pag hindi 0 yan, mali, ginawa nyo. Paano na siya susulatin? Una is may x tayo. Gawin nyo na lang tong, ang synthetic root, gawin nyo na lang negative. Negative 1. Kasi since x is equals to 1, tapos babalik nyo lang dito, babalik nyo lang dito, is magiging negative siya. So may x minus 1 tayo. Next is ito naman. Sulat natin. Since ang goal nga diba ng pag-factor is matanggal yung x squared, meaning ang next nun is since ang goal natin is matanggal ng x cubed, ang next nito is x squared. So, ito ay x squared, x, tapos yung constant. So, since 1 ang x squared natin, x squared. 1x squared or x squared plus 1 plus x rather 1x minus yung constant 4. Ayan na ang factor natin. Numerator to denominator. Kapag baliktad ko. So cancel both sides. Kung makikira sa atin ay x squared plus x minus 4 over x squared plus x plus 1. Ngayon, isa-substitute na natin siya lahat. Limitation of x squared plus limitation of x to 1, x minus limitation of 4x is to 1. Same goes sa baba. Limitation of x to 1, x squared plus limitation of x to 1, x plus limitation x to 1 and 1. Yan, pinag-iwalay lang natin siya. Ngayon, isubstitute naman natin. 1 plus limitation of x is 1 minus 4. So, limitation of x squared, x is to 1 is 1 plus limitation of x 1 plus 1. So, meron tayong ganito. Add na lang natin. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is basically 3. Therefore, sagot natin is negative 2 over 3.